tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use this. Today I want to show you how to do maintenance on this printer. This is a Canon printer TS 704. This method applies to all TS series. First of all, you on the printer and you allow it to be stable. Then you click on this icon here. You move and that's setup. You see maintenance. You click OK. Then you do the nozzle check. Click OK. The printer, okay, say fully extend. So you lift up this thing. This is a tray. You extend it and you press OK. Now the printer prints. This is it. This is how it's supposed to print. But peradventure it did not print like this. This is to check if your inks are complete or printing well. If it did not work, you click further, cleaning, and you click on OK. So to clean the ink, the printer will use the ink to clean the head so that it will unclog the printhead. That is, if your color, you notice that your colors are not complete, this is what you do. You come here, you click this button, then you move to maintenance, then you go to cleaning. Uses more ink than cleaning, but you start with cleaning first to check. Then you print the nozzle check and see if the colors are complete. If the colors are not complete, then you move further and do deep cleaning. When you select deep cleaning, you click OK to do deep cleaning. And after that, you can do your nozzle check again. So the first one is if your printing is not sharp or the colors, okay, if your color is not complete, you click here, go to maintenance, click OK, do cleaning, or you do deep cleaning. Now if the problem is the printing is, the color is complete but it's not sharp, you do printed alignment. Especially if you are printing text and you notice that your text is not coming out well, or maybe it's having double lines, or it's breaking, it's not straight. This is what you use to correct it. Printed alignment. This one. Then you click OK. This helps in the sharpness of your print, and if your text is not coming out well, that's what you use. this is it. But you notice here the ink is not supplying very well, so this is going to affect the printing. So you do printed alignment to be able to fix this error. You can also combine it with deep cleaning so that to supply ink, the printer will supply more ink into the printed. This is it. So that is how to do maintenance on your printer, Canon TS 704, another TS series. Now there are other things in this maintenance. I'm going to show you shortly how to do those ones. They are all under maintenance. Other things under maintenance is roller cleaning. This roller cleaning, if you are printing something and you notice some stains on your paper, maybe you were refilling your ink and you didn't clean it very well and the ink dropped into the printer. You notice that when you are printing it will stain. So you use this roller cleaner to clean the printer so that it will remove the stains. So this is the function of this roller cleaning. Then we have bottom plate cleaning. The same thing. It helps you to clean the inside of your printer so that you don't have stain on your paper. So that is that on maintenance, under maintenance. Remember, you come here, then you move to maintenance, click OK. We have nozzle check to see first if your colors are complete. If they are not complete, you use cleaning to clean, and then you go back and do nozzle check. If it's still not complete, you move on to deep cleaning. This deep cleaning uses more ink. You have to take note of that. Now, if you're printing, the colors are complete but they're not sharp, you use printed alignment to align the printed. Then if your printer is staining, you use roller cleaner and bottom plate cleaning. Remember, when you select the function, you have to click OK to execute it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll respond to it as soon as I see it. Thank you.